5. Blue lava volcano in Indonesia. Most volcanoes erupt with red-hot lava, but on one magical volcano in Indonesia, the lava burns bright blue. This rare wonder happens at Kawa Ijen volcano. At night, it looks like the mountain is crying flames of sapphire, but the lava itself isn't actually blue. It's the gases that burn blue. The volcano releases sulfuric gas at high pressure and heat, which ignites when it contacts oxygen, creating an electric blue flame that flows with the lava. The sight is so surreal, it looks like a movie effect, but it's 100% real. Visitors hike to the top at night to see it glow, but they must wear gas masks because the air is toxic.